Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Madonna of Start a Small Garden. For today's video, I'm going to share with you my first ever garden to table easy chicken soup recipe. This one is simple, but first let's harvest some vegetables. So let's get started. So here we are in the garden and I'm going to harvest some moringa. Yes, I have some moringa trees here and they really have beautiful green leaves. It's been raining lately and this is really perfect because it's getting fall and the weather is really getting colder lately. It's cooler and I think it's perfect time to make chicken soups. Look at the beautiful moringa soup. So this is one of the superfoods, very healthy for you and your family. You can try it. I shouldn't forget as well to grab some string beans. I have some few string beans here growing. All right, so I'm gonna put some few of string beans too in the soup. And now let's cook. So first here I am really sauteing first some ginger. This is really great because during fall or winter, soup really is really great to consume or feed your family. Very healthy and very aromatic as well. And then I'm going to saute some garlic as well. And let me separate this or remove this moringa leaves from the stems. Just pull it right here. And then I have some already baked chicken here and I'm going to use the stock, this one already, just to flavor it. Normally you will go into boiled chicken, but when I do make chicken soup, I bake the chicken first and then you will going to have lots of flavor there. It has some garlic in it as well. And then this is how I make a chicken stock. So I get some chicken flavor there, some very minimal amount of chicken fats just to flavor your soup. And then I'm going to pour some hot water here for my broth. Great, very refreshing with ginger, garlic, and the broth is already similar to a sipping broth. I'm going to cover it up and let it boil for a while, and after that I'm going to drop some carrots, just few, some chopped carrots here. And then I have already shredded the chicken here. And then have some spring onions that I have harvested from the garden the last day or yesterday. I'm gonna put this also as well. So as you can see, it's already boiling. And now let's drop some moringa leaves. Oh, this is really good, very fresh, so green. It might look it's so many, but after it's already getting cooked, it will really gonna be so thin. So moringa leaves is really a great alternative for like spinach, Swiss chard. So I already dumped the chicken as well, and then since the chicken is already cooked, I'm going to drop some onion springs or scallions. This is really great because from the start I didn't chop onions. And then let's pour some of my string beans as well, since these vegetables are really very quick to cook. We don't want it to be overcooked, and make sure you put some salt and pepper to taste. Oh, I can really smell now the aroma of ginger, garlic, and a little hint of scallions or spring onions. Really good. And here it is. You just let it boil a little bit and cover it for a while, like just enough for the vegetable to cook but not overcook. And you can serve it with basmati brown rice. I like to eat it with brown rice, or you can eat it as is. So here you go, guys. This is a very simple garden to table easy chicken soup recipe that you can try. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. You can check it out if you want to. And please let me know if you want more garden to table recipes, or if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know in the comments section below. I'll see you again next time. Bye!